Another new feature that Zbrush 2021.5 introduced is the ambient occlusion. This will allow you to sculpt with real-time render accuracy that captures every stroke applied to your mesh. Real-time ambient occlusion gives you the ability to quickly see which portions of your model might need that extra touch. So you can bring your creation to life in real time with the Preview AO ambient occlusion feature. So how we can get that? You will just go to the render on the top, then you have here Preview AO, and then you have here occlusion. You can turn on the occlusion. As soon you will turn on the occlusion, let me do one thing. Let me just go here to the render and dock it on the left side, so I don't have to go back and forth. So you can see that there is now shadow underneath these edges here, and as I will start sculpting over there, so in real time it is now showing me those shadows appearing on these strokes that I'm creating. And upon changing any one of my sculpt details, it is as well changing the occlusion or the shadow mask. You can see I can increase the quality of it to make it more harsh, or you can say more prominent. I can increase intensity of it to make it more stronger or less. I can increase the radius of it, so I can make it more wider, or I can make it more narrower. Then I have radius secondary. Okay, you can say the fall off. And then I have here blur amount, so I can blur it as much as I want. So you have all these kind of settings over here, and you can use them the way you want them to be appeared on your model. This will not only help you to preview the shadows and all those things, but also the details that you're applying on your model. It will show you how the detail is working, how sharp your edge is, how soft your sculpting detail is, and this is quite helpful, quite handy, and I think it's a quite good uh, addition to this version. So I hope you have liked this new feature that ZBrush has introduced in the 2021.5 version. So if you have enjoyed my video, please click on the like button, and I will be uploading new lessons, tutorials, live sessions, and full courses along with other useful videos. So don't forget to click on the like button on the bell icon, so you can get all the notifications. I will highly appreciate if you will give shout out to my channel on your social media account, which will help me to get more subscriber, and this will motivate me to create more content for you all. So guys, thanks a lot for your support, and please continue supporting me, and take care of yourself till we meet for the next lesson.